If you're gonna hang cabinets by yourself, a good investment is these third-hand jacks. This is actually from Harbor Freight, 35 bucks. It allows you to place a support up in the uppers, utilize face frame clamps where you can hang cabinets by yourself, and it really makes things easy. As you can see, just hanging that other upper. Brand I have is a cheaper version of the third hands. The only issue I would see is you can see this mechanism where you set it to the rough height is plastic, so I could see something heavy that this might fail. It says do not exceed 65 pounds, but then for your micro adjustment, really simple action right there. And then if you need to lower, you just press up on this tab like so. Another thing that makes your life really easy is these face frame clamps. These are Pony brand. I probably would recommend buying the higher end version of this. This I just picked up from Menards. Reason being is these threads and sort of the fit and finish of these. There's a lot of slop, so they turn kind of hard. Where I've watched other guys use the other brand, I think they're Red. Not sure what the brand is, but they turn very smooth. So it's just faster to clamp them, especially when you're doing a lot of it like I just was one-handed. A nice feature is they have a drill guide to keep your drill bit straight, and then you just flip it to the side to set your hold to depth, and then to run your screw in with the clamp still in place. Really an excellent design. So there's a quick video on how to hang cabinet uppers by yourself. Some of the tips and tricks that I use to make life easy. And here is the Hallmaster 2-in-1 support bar. And again, Harbor Freight for 35 bucks. Can't go wrong. Very handy in a wide variety of applications, from hanging uppers to if you were going to attach cabinet skins or anything where you need to press against adhesive. These would also be handy for holding up plastic sheeting, similar to the zip pulls. Tons of uses. Definitely want to have these on hand and go pick them up for 35 bucks. It allows you to do things by yourself that would normally require another guy. So thanks for watching and keep hammering.